Every day hides a story, some forgotten, some that change everything. On October 25, 1415, one of the most famous battles of the Hundred Years' War, where King Henry V of England led his small exhausted army to a miraculous victory over a much larger French force. On October 25, 1854, a legendary but tragic military event where British light cavalry charged into Russian artillery at the Battle of Balaclava due to a miscommunication. On October 25, 1760, King George II becomes King of Great Britain.